The Okapi Odyssey is a fascinating and elusive mammal native to the dense rainforests of central and northern Congo, Africa. The okapi has a striking appearance with a dark brown to reddish-brown coat and distinctive horizontal white stripes on its hindquarters and legs. It has a robust body with a long neck and large, flexible ears, resembling both a horse and a giraffe. Despite its physical similarities to a horse, the okapi is most closely related to giraffes. It belongs to the Giraffidae family. Like giraffes, male okapis have ossicones, though they are shorter and covered with skin. Okapis are generally solitary animals, with each individual maintaining a large home range. They are known for being elusive and are often difficult to spot in the wild. They have an incredibly long and prehensile tongue, which they use to strip leaves and buds from trees. This adaptation allows them to reach vegetation in a dense forest canopy. The reddish-brown coat of the okapi provides effective camouflage in the dappled sunlight of the rainforest, helping them blend into their surroundings and avoid predators. Okapis are herbivores, with a diet primarily consisting of leaves, buds, fruits, and other vegetation. Their long tongue and flexible neck allow them to reach and consume a variety of plant species in the forest canopy. Being solitary helps okapis navigate the dense rainforest without the need for large groups. This behavior reduces competition for resources and minimizes the risk of predation. Okapis are primarily crepuscular and nocturnal, meaning they are most active during dawn, dusk, and nighttime. This behavior helps them avoid daytime predators and heat. During the mating season, both male and female okapis engage in scent marking by rubbing their necks against trees and vegetation. This helps them communicate their presence and reproductive status to potential mates. Okapis communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including whistles, clicks, and chuffing sounds. During the mating season, males may produce louder and more frequent calls to attract females. Courtship involves a series of displays where the male and female interact, with the male often extending his neck and sniffing the female's urine to assess her reproductive state. Courtship rituals include gentle gestures such as nuzzling and licking. Mating pairs may stay together for a short duration before going their separate ways.